Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we do not have a house. You heard me right.
We do have a secret to tell you at the end of the video.
Yes, and we accidentally have to redo this video because I accidentally turned off my iPad, and now anyways, we were just listening to Voice of the Year and last Friday night.
Me and Lily want to show you around.
Yeah, I'm gonna come out with you.
Yeah,
Let's go. I'm gonna hold the camera.
I know.
My shoe. I know, it smells bad.
I also have a bag with stuff in it.
You'll see that later. I'm not allowed to show you the whole entire front yard,
Really?
but yeah. Oh yeah, the
Money
makeup.
there.
Someone left money there. Oh my god.
Free money.
Oh my god. Yes, free money. Put that in our folder. In case we want to buy things, so it's nice.
Okay.
So this is
There's
our
a
fort. It looks
swing.
really bad, but yeah. There's a swing, and they let us go on it.
Hammock.
Hammock, yes. We love the hammock.
Yeah, it fits so. It like spreads out so much.
I love this swing. It's actually really good. Escamitas. Yeah, this is my lip color. So if you see any lipsticks that like looks like this, like this, you can like take a screenshot and see if it matches with anything. Then you can like get some from me.
this is so country.
On my gorgida. Me gory. Sure, hold on. Let me just jump out this really cool swing. And 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay, let me try.
Can I film you doing it?
Sure. I just need to get my shoes on. Okay. Don't film the neighborhood though, because people might know where we live. I mean, like where we are. Not live, because we don't have a house. We just have a fort, and it's really comfy. Oh my gosh!
No, not like that. Like, here, I need better lighting. No, your head goes this way and your feet go up there.
Oh, okay. That's how you do it?
That's how I did it. It's like kind of like a footrest.
Oh my god.
Have you seen the Queen of Hearts where she says pig, and then they bring a pig, and then
And then
she puts her feet on the fig. Fig.
Big.
The pig, yeah, the pig.
Ah! It went in my booty hole. We're gonna have to pay for that. Or $1 over there.
Our $1. We also found a penny. We'll pay them a penny.
I'm scared. I'm scared I'm gonna flip.
You won't. This one doesn't flip.
5 seconds later, I flip. Who is that?
That's the kids.
Oh, yeah. We saw them this morning.
Do you want me to show you how to do
They
it?
called us rats, though. Remember? Because we lived, and help me. I'm scared.
Do you want me to show you how?
Like this?
Feet up here
I'm scared.
and spread it out.
Is that a spider?
No, it's not a spider.
Spider.
I like spiders. They're not scared.
Remember
I'm
when
not
there was a
scared of
big spider in your room and you thought it was dead? How the good times when we used to have a house.
I know.
That's cute too, though.
I know.
Oh, goodbye, baby.
And we got to design it by ourselves.
Yeah, it was
Our
so
parents had to paint how they wanted it.
cute. Oh.
But actually, well, once I had to share a room with my sister.
I just did a boom boom.
My cat? Well, it's my family's cat, but I'm not really my family. Well, I still am, but I just don't really stay with my family. Oh, it is windy out today.
Yeah, it really is.
Yesterday it was pouring rain.
Yeah.
We didn't build that yesterday.
Yeah,
built it.
we were like we used to be in our house yesterday, but then we, I think, were we?
No,
I don't remember. Because it's been like,
a long.
just like a couple days, so.
Yeah, just a couple days.
Now turn? Sure, hold on. Wait, I want to do it one more time. Record me doing that. Oh, my sock came off.
My turn. Get it off.
I'm going to
Hold
fart
on.
on it. Hold on.
I'm gonna
Fart on it.
And then go.
I need a fart. Hold on.
Ew, don't fart on the fort.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
You monkey.
That's literally
Tickle, tickle, tickle. I do that again.
Your iPad shocked me in the nose.
Is that a bug? Okay. Why is it so zoomed in? Why did you zoom it in?
I didn't zoom in.
Yeah, you did.
No, I did. This is so fun. This is fun but scary at the same time.
Oh my god.
Was that supposed to happen?
Yeah, because see, it's on a really big branch, and most of the pressure is right there. In like hammocks, they're more,
On the lower part.
Do you want to get off?
This is actually fun. You want to try?
Yes.
You just gotta go like that. Stop. No.
You hold them.
By the way, we found shoes.
Sniffer shoe.
There you go.
Don't push me that much.
I won't. I'll push you as much as you push me. I'll just wait for you to get in. Okay, look at their flowers and garden.
really-
It's so pretty.
Oh my gosh, I never noticed those pink ones. Oh, that's cute.
Where? Oh my god. That is adorable.
Adorbs.
That person has a huge tree.
Oh my god.
Look how big that is. I never even noticed that though.
Yeah, how do we not notice that?
I know. I've just been looking over here and in my fort. Our fort.
I'm scared
And then
again.
close.
Hold on. Why isn't it?
I don't know. It doesn't cooperate very well.
Hold on. I'm scared.
You.
What?
Gross. Ew.